There, she has handed down decisions on a range of constitutional and legal questions that are notable for their careful reasoning, earning the respect of colleagues on the bench, the admiration of many lawyers who argue cases in her court, and the adoration of her clerks, who look to her as a mentor. We do have there are all kinds of notable guests here, but I just want to mention a few.
Your Excellency, could you advise us and make some comments on the notable advances in Vietnam-US